Hi.
Hi. What is your name?
My name is Vihan Hamid Barbudde. Your name?
My name is Varat Praveen Khairkar. Which standard you study?
My standard is 5th.
Oh.
Your standard?
Same. My standard is fourth.
You like trees?
Yes, I like trees. And which tree you like? Plant.
Plants. Rose, lotus.
Oh, which of plants? Which fruit you like?
Mango, apple.
Yes, same. I like most mango.
I like.
Yeah.
Same to same.
Which book you like most?
Importance of trees.
The comic, a book, a story book.
Storybook. Mulan.
Oh, you can tell summary of that or not?
Oh, your?
I most like the thirsty crow. Means the crow is thirsty and
I know.
yes, you also read that.
Your favorite book of stories?
Yes, the thirsty crow. You read encyclopedias?
Half.
Half. Uh,
You know trees. You know trees.
yes, I obviously know trees and if we are do not there, so tree will not live. If the trees are not there, so we will not we will die.
Season.
Yes. You
Question.
if you think you are a tree, what you will what you will do?
I will make food
Yes.
itself.
You know photosynthesis?
Yes. You know?
Yes. Mm,
You have seen lotus plant?
yes, lotus. I love lotus and his color is also like I love.
This color.
Yes. And I like all colors means. I like all flowers. Flowers. In the flowers, I make perfume of that.
Where did lotus live?
Um, in the water.
Pond.
Mm. Like you like the you like the was mobile.
No.
I am not. I am working to do not watch mobile.
You make own story of topic that is importance of trees.
No, I did not make. You make.
Yes.
Oh,
About
you can
trees, about
you can tell me the story.
mm, you can
You
you trees are important for us. They are precious and important. They give us fruit, vegetable and paper, it etc. How trees help us?
and I You what your daily routine means the Sunday. What you do in Sunday?
I wake up early, go to exercise, and then play, then brush, then play,
Yes.
then bath, then play, and then study,
Such a
and then sleep, and then wake up and eat. I play and I then eat. Your routine?
My routine. I wake up at 6. I will tell you in the short. I wake up at 6 p.m. Then I bath. I go to play. And then I cycling. Then I eat the lunch and go to my cousin's home. My cousin's home is near by my house.
Your school's name?
My school name is Podar International School. You?
P.R. Putti Patil International
Oh,
School.
in your school, what happened? Means what activity you take?
Skating game.
Yes, games are there, but which games?
Skating game. For example, kho, football, cricket,
Oh.
etc. And badminton.
Which is your aim to become?
Become a scientist.
Oh, I want to become a IPS officer. My aim is it.
Hi, how are you?